I added cornmeal to the boiling water, and you're going to want to make this with your coffee all the time. Start by adding a cup and a half of water to a saucepan. Then add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of butter. Let's mix it and wait for the water to start boiling. As soon as the water starts boiling, add a cup of cornmeal, and now let's mix it well. At this stage, you can turn off the heat. It will make this dough. Now let's transfer it to another container. Now let's add an egg and give it a slight knead. I'm using 50 grams of already chopped mozzarella. Now I'm using a tablespoon. It can be either baking soda or baking powder. And 25 milliliters of oil here, 50 grams of wheat flour, and then just mix it well. I'm adding some oregano here and then mix again with my hands. Take a small amount and we can start to shape it into a ball. I transferred it to a greased pan and I'll brush some egg yolk on top. I'll finish it with a bit of grated mozzarella on top once it's done. All we need to do is take it and put it in the oven at 130 degrees until it browns, and look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed. This is another recipe from the Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs until next time, and thank you.